cutting out a spare AC filter for the RV. I'm trying out a new type actually, usually used for home window units. It's made by Frost King, made out of nylon. It is washable, easy to cut. The package just says it removes dust and pollen from the air. I need 7.5 by 14 inches. It can be cut to any size with scissors. The best way to do this is using the existing filter as a template. It's always good to have spare filters when traveling, in case one breaks or there's just no time to wash the one you have on. Just store the dirty one in a bag and wash it at a more convenient time. When done cutting all around, just cut out the two squares so it will not interfere with the latching when you are putting it back on. Just wanted to show this trick that I use, and maybe I'll do a follow-up on this new filter that I'm using, a regular residential window type unit filter. Some people use disposable ones. I prefer the reusable types like this. This is the best way to save money and always have a spare available. And even Ewok approves. And we're ready to put it back on. Hope this gives someone an idea on how to do it, just in case you've never done it before. And that's about it for today. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. You all have a great day.